Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly, you should open screen which you want to capture, could be just our home screen, and then press combination of keys, power key plus volume down like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, volume down, power key, and let's get it. So one last time, volume down, power key, and we got these screenshots. So when you're done taking screenshots, you can find them in gallery, in the special screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, delete, favorite your screenshots, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.